The biggest news coming from Samsung at IFA 2018 was the big 85-inch 8K QLED television. They're just mobbing it over there right now. But that's not all. Samsung also announced this, the 34-inch CJ79 gaming monitor. It's a 21:9 wide display with Thunderbolt 3, which means that it can carry the data and the power all through a single connection. Now, it's a quantum dot display, which means that it uses quantum dot materials to refine the backlight and expand the color palette and the color volume. This will actually do 120% of the sRGB color space while reaching up to a 3,000:1 contrast ratio. That's a legit spec. I should also mention that it does support FreeSync as well. The radius on this is about 1500, so you do have the curved screen. It's got a little bit of a wraparound effect, which is very cool when you're sitting up close to it. It's not like the curved TVs where you didn't really get that effect. This is the 34-inch version. There is a 43-inch version, which has a KVM switch, so you could actually connect two computers to that. And that thing's just absolutely massive. But this looks like it could be a great gaming monitor. It is definitely on our list of the best gaming monitors coming out of IFA 2018, which you can check out at digitaltrends.com.